So moving forward, we've covered the basics in the initial recording in the first lecture and about industrial sector. Basically, Punjab released the Industrial and Business Development Policy in 2017, and along with that, which it was a part of basically the vision to put the state back on a high trajectory of growth and prosperity, and is a framework for industrial growth of the state. So the important point here is that the Industrial and Development Policy was released in the year 2017. So overall statistics we've seen for the industrial sector in Punjab. So the state performed better with a growth rate of 4.9% in 2019 and 20. It was expected that the Punjab industrial GSVA will decrease by 0.07% as compared to a negative growth of 2.4% on all India level. So there is actually lesser contraction than all India level. Apart from that, in 2019 and 20, the manufacturing sector, so specifically manufacturing sector, is estimated to grow by 0.07%, but due to the overall industrial growth, it will grow by 1.13%. So employment in the industrial sector. So the industrial sector basically accounts for 1/3 of the total employment in Punjab. We've seen these statistics in the first lecture itself. The construction sector forms an important sector for Punjab and is the second largest employer after manufacturing in the industrial sector. So within the industrial sector, we have the topmost employers. Sorry. Yeah. Within the industrial sector, we have the manufacturing as the main sector, employer basically, and the second largest employer is the construction subsector within the industrial sector. So there is a specific scheme, industrial subvention for housing, interest subvention for housing. In this, the Shahri Awas Yojana of the board extends financial assistance in form of interest subsidy at 6.5% for a loan of 6 lakh rupees for 20 years taken by an urban construction worker having annual income less than rupees 6 lakhs. Pension, a registered construction worker on completion of 60 years of age and 3 years in membership is entitled to a pension of rupees 2,000 per month. And there is also a mobile lab scheme which enables quick detection of silicosis and other diseases of registered construction workers and their family members. Expenditure up to 1.5 lakh rupees is incurred as incurred by the worker are reimbursed under the scheme. So these schemes are specifically for construction workers. Next is the gross capital formation. So investment in industrial sector has consistently formed about half of the total investment in Punjab. So industries comprise of half of the total investment that is made into Punjab. Apart from that, as of 2018 and 19, the gross capital formation in the industrial sector was 33% of the GSVA. Please comment what is the gross capital formation for India in the comment section. The increase in gross capital formation was in spite of decline in the credit to GVA ratio in Punjab, which is in line with the national trends. So at national level also and Punjab also, there has been a decline in credit to GVA ratio, which is credit given to gross value added ratio, but still there is an increase in gross capital formation. Moving forward, the next industry is so basically there is a specific industry called the food processing industry. So food processing industry is also called as the sunrise industry as written here. Why? Because due to the high crop yields associated with the state of Punjab, it is the ideal destination for setting up of food processing units. So you need to tell me which are the crops which have the highest yield in Punjab. And also comment which states have the highest yield for wheat and rice, not the production, but the yield. So, Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology opened its license office at Bhatinda, Punjab. So, where it is open, it is an important point from an objective question point of view, with the objective of developing entrepreneurship and creating skilled manpower for the food sector. So, food processing sector is anyhow considered very important because it leads to reduction in wastage. It increases the processing of food. It helps in diversification of food crops to other crops, basically. So, it is considered a very important and a very remunerative sector, industrial sector also. So in Punjab, out of three mega food parks, there are three mega food parks in Punjab which have been approved for Punjab. The International Mega Food Park Limited Fazilka is already operational. So the first one in Fazilka is already operational. While Punjab Agro Industrial Industries Corporation Limited, Ludhiana, and Sukhjit Mega Food Park and Infra Limited Kapurthala continue to be under implementation. So the three are at Fazilka, Ludhiana, and Kapurthala. Please remember this. This is an important pointer. Under the scheme for integrated textile parks, a total of 4 textile parks are operational in Punjab, and the Punjab government intends to set up a specific sports goods park in Jalandhar. Moving forward, industries in Punjab. So Punjab has a very strong base of more than 2 lakh small scale units belonging to auto components, bicycle parts, hosiery, sports goods, agricultural implements. So I would like you to comment which district is famous for bicycles, which is famous for hosiery, and which is famous for sports goods. So there are specific districts that are famous for these items in Punjab. So please comment which are these districts. Most of the small scale industrial production was concentrated in Ludhiana with a value of 72,916 crores. So basically the district is important. Ludhiana was followed by Sangrur, Fazilka, Fatehgarh Sahib and Amritsar in output production by small scale units. So the most important pointer is that Ludhiana is leading in terms of small scale industries and in terms of medium and large scale industries. Bhatinda is the leading district. It has the highest production in the state. Bhatinda was followed by Ludhiana, Sangrur, and Hoshiarpur in output production by large scale units. So then we have specifically MSME Punjab. So MSME Punjab is as part of Punjab Industrial and Business Development Authority intends to focus on the development of MSMEs by addressing the following key functions: enhancing the competitiveness of MSMEs in the changed economic scenario, ensuring adequate flow of credit from financial institutions, providing support for technology upgradation and modernization, providing modern testing facilities and quality certifications, providing access to modern management practices, and providing support for product development and design intervention and packaging. So from any type of exams point of view, be it an objective exam, so you, for objective exams, you should remember the facts that we cover. Okay. For subjective exams, for example, if you're writing some sort of names or some sort of answer writing, you're doing practice for answer writing, then including such schemes or such initiatives such as MSME Punjab and writing down in the bracket that this has been taken from like economic survey of the year 2020 to 2021 for Punjab. So this gives you an additional benefit and an edge also. So all this information, if you want, you can take out printouts and you can note it down and use this as and when needed, whether be it objective or subjective. So this was a short lecture on chapter 3 of the economic survey for Punjab. Tomorrow we'll be covering the next chapter, which is the services sector. So see you tomorrow.